Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I finally just got my Boxycharm by Ipsy. And so this is for the month of January, but things were running, I think they were running behind because it came from California and the fires and stuff made the process take a little bit longer, but it finally got here. And I'm actually kind of excited for it. So let's just get to it and see what we got. Okay, friends, open it up here. Let's see, we got the Boxycharm showing us some things coming soon, and it's the month is a clean slate. So a clean slate, which we're already past January now, but January was a clean slate, I guess. It says, welcome to the year 2025, when living in the future calls for a return to the basics, only better than ever. I love that, a return to the basics. So, okay, so anyway, I'm just going to show you what's in here. But first, I want to thank you all for being here. I appreciate your support. I would love it if you would subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and do those things to support my channel. That would be awesome. And so, let's get to the first things here. I'm going to share, I just had a couple add-ons, but I'm going to share the power picks. Those are the ones that Boxycharm picks for me. Now, the box comes with 5 items each month. 2 of the items are picked by Ipsy, and then we get to choose the other 3 products. And then sometimes you can get add-ons or whatever. I also get the extra bonus, what do they call it? I don't know, my beauty boost went blank, but that's $15 a month, but you usually get an item that's well over 60 to into the hundreds in price. So it just depends on what it is. So anyway, so let's see what we got here. So the first power pick that they have for me is some Leaf, I don't know if it's Leafy or Leaf brushes. There's 2 of them. They look like kind of maybe a blush and a highlight, or I'm not actually really excited about these because I have gotten so many brushes lately. I got some from Tarte that I love, and then in my Lucky bag from Beautylish, I was lucky enough to get a whole set of the Chiku Wahoo. Anyway, I was able to get a whole set of brushes in that box. But these feel like these are awesome brushes. Sometimes I like more compact but not quite as fluffy. But I need to try the fluffier ones. But these feel really good. I just don't. Like I said, I just don't know if I need them much. But anyway, that's what they picked for me. So I probably would have rather had another pick, even though I think this is a good item. It is a good item. The other thing they picked for me is, this is from Pear Nova. And this is a bronzer and contour stick. And let's see what it looks like. I love bronzer sticks. Now, it looks like, okay, so it looks like this is maybe the contour, but it looks dark to me. I don't know. I guess they're both kind of a bronze. I don't know. So there's the 2 colors right there. So actually, it feels good. I'll give it a try. I do like this kind of an item, so I wasn't too mad about that. And then, so my 3 picks now. The first pick I have is an eyeshadow palette from Wanderbeauty, and it's called In Neutral. And show you what the palette looks like. You know what? I think I have, it doesn't look the same though. I thought I had this eyeshadow palette, but maybe it's a different one. It just, the colors look real similar. Oh my gosh. No, they don't. These are all, let's see. 1, 2, 4 of them are shimmers, but man, they're beautiful. Here we go. Love, love, love this actually, because I don't think it's the same as the one I have, and I love these lighter colors. So I know I'll use this, so I'm actually excited about that. I don't need another eyeshadow palette, haha, but I love it anyway. So the next thing I have that I picked, my second pick, is from Benefit Cosmetics, one of my favorites. This is the roller lash. I don't think I have all their lashes. I think I have a small one of this, but I don't have a bigger one. It was just, honestly, I think for the options, it was the best option for me. Wasn't necessarily, I could have picked something different. I don't always love these, the kind of the rounded brushes, but I'm going to try this. I've heard good things about it. I haven't used it yet. So anyway, so got that. Then my third pick was from the Ofra Cosmetics Midi Palette Blossom Blush. I was really excited when I saw this because these are beautiful colors, and it looks like it's a blush kind of highlight. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So it's just real pretty. The middle one is just real shimmery. See that there? I don't know. I probably would use it more as a highlight. And anyway, I'm welcoming back the pink today. If you notice, those of you who have been around know me. I used to wear a lot of pink last spring. I wore this dress in February of last year. And I brought it out again since it's February. And I brought out my pink look. Haven't done it in a long time. But anyway, so this blush palette just fits right in with that. And then, so that's my, I got the, I got the eyeshadow palette, the blush, the roller from Benefit. I got the makeup brushes, and what was the other thing I got? Oh, the bronzing stick. So anyway, I kind of got a little makeup thing going on here. I was going to do it as a try-on, but it was too late. This just barely came. I just barely got this in the mail, like, you know, a half hour ago. So anyway, it was too late for the makeup, but I'll definitely give it a try. So those are the 5 items. Now for my power pick, I got the Man-Eater, Unleash Your Inner Man-Eater palette from Tarte Cosmetics. You guys know Tarte is like my favorite overall makeup brand. I love their palettes. I love everything about Tarte. So, and I actually have a palette similar to this, but I don't think it's the same one. Mine has a black thing too, is that black? Almost looks purple there. Anyway, the back is like a mirror. So anyway, very pretty, but here is the palette, and this is not the same palette, but I have a palette that's set up just like this, but it is different colors. So there's the color story. I love the shimmers. It's got some really fun gold shimmers, the clear up here. Anyway, so there's that. So that was my bonus, and that is, the bonus is valued at, let me see. It is a $52 palette. So basically I got it for $15. a lot of times they're even higher priced, the Power Picks, but this was a great Power Pick in my opinion. I have a byroe product, which is like my favorite byroe. I love anything byroe. And this right here is their, let's see what this is. This is peach kombucha tea, clay mask. Anyway, I don't know if it's just not on here and I ordered it and paid for it or what, but I'm excited to have it. I love anything byroe. The other two items I have in here are also by byroe. One is a toner. We've got a kiwi detox cleanser, just a little tiny sample. These were 350 items. And then I have a byroe apple matcha tea clearing toner. So anyway, there's that. And I'm excited to have that. I think I might have ordered 1 or 2 of these in my next month's, because they were in the 350 items, and I just love anything byroe. So this is a decent size anyway. So those were my add-ons, and so I'm excited about what I got here, and I got some good deals. And so let me know what you think. What do you think of my box? Do you have a favorite item? And anyway, so I'm happy. This is a happy month for me. I'm not complaining at all. So anyway, now February, I'll be honest with you, I was super disappointed with my choices. So we'll see how that box comes out. But that was a icon box. I almost wish I just got the regular Boxycharm. But anyway, I'm happy with my first month of Boxycharm for 2025. Let me know what you think. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much for being here. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.